हेलो एंड वेलकम टू दिस एपिसोड ऑफ मार्केट क्या लगता है। मार्केट क्या लगता है कि इस नए एपिसोड में आप सभी का स्वागत है। एंड व्हाट अ यूफोरिक रैली दिस बैंक निफ्टी हैज गिवन इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वीक, एंड वी वर वेटिंग सेंसिंग फॉर these levels like nifty levels of 17,500 to 17,000, and finally it broke above those levels. Nifty bullish target got completed, bank nifty bullish target also got completed, and from there right now we can see, all we can see or sense is that some kind of a profit booking that can be seen. So let us not waste time, quickly go back and check what was our last week's summary like. uh, Superb. So this is my daily message. Okay. So let's go to WhatsApp to find what is today morning's message like. So this is today morning's message at about 8:30. And in this today morning message, I'm suggesting that Nifty range maybe 17,800 to 17,500, and Bank Nifty range maybe 37,500 to 37,000. Now, a euphoric rally in banking stocks, Bank Nifty surpassed expectations. So, like for past so many weeks, I was complaining that Bank Nifty is a laggard, and then it has surpassed surprisingly. Okay, weekly target of 37,256 for bank nifty is done. Nifty, the target was 17,651 that got completed today. And uh, as I said, nifty was monthly overbought. This is something that I shared last week as well. But if you see, yesterday nifty was also overbought or was making a bearish divergence on a daily chart as well. So that was a very cautious kind of approach, and we have seen a fall in nifty that has started today. So nifty monthly overbought and nifty daily overbought or bearish divergences. So all these things have led to some kind of a profit booking. Nifty made a high of 17,792, and from there those levels, then there was an intraday some profit booking that can be seen. Confirmation we are going to get on Monday. But what was the last week's message? Last week we were talking about, since the price has made a kind of a doji, a kind of a bearish action, so we'll be cautious. We haven't seen as much correction as we would love to see in nifty so far, but then today it's just a beginning, and in the coming days we might get some follow-up action to it. So now nifty message we have seen, what is there in store for nifty? Let's try and understand. So we have multiple levels here, and this latest target of 17,651 that got completed from there in the opening, and then immediately after opening there was some profit booking that can be seen. Now the range had changed for now to 17,700, and the lower range is around 17,500. Now interesting part in this nifty's observation is that we might see some more profit booking to the tune of, let's say, some 500 600 odd points, and then we might settle around 17,200 odd level, right? So that is something that what my expectation is for the first week, starting from here, let's say for the coming week. And here when we look at this overall action, as long as this is acting as a resistance, now 17,651 was the level that we had calculated, that we had discussed uh, about couple of week back. Last week I had not given any target. So when we take this overall context of nifty into consideration, one thing that we have to understand, that after a lot of period, a longer period, right now we are seeing this action. Let me just hide this level or remove this level. Right now all we can see this structure as it is taking some kind of a retracement, and can be a short term top, I can say, in case of nifty, and from that level we might see some meaningful correction. So that is something that I'm looking forward to. Now 17,792 is another label that I have posted on this charts, and then let's see how the next action is going to pan out. Now we were talking about the overbought range on a monthly as well as on a daily chart. So while this action was going on, in this entire action, one thing we have to understand, one thing we have to accept, that most of the IT stocks are also overbought on a monthly chart, right? A stock like Bajaj Finance, leading stocks, I mean, these are the leading stocks, and these stocks are also overbought. HDFC Bank was underperformer during this entire rally, and only Kotak Mahindra was performing, which was again our stock pick for this particular week. Now, while this action is happening in case of Nifty, so Nifty 50 right now, first we are looking at this level of 17,651, which was our previous target, and from there, let's say the lower part of the range, lower area of the range, that is 17,000 right now, that can be one more target that we are looking at. Okay, so this is how I want you to see the action, and it is still a very early stage of reversal. We have to have some confirmation about it, isn't it? And then on the basis of confirmation only, we should initiate certain trades. So we should get what we should have, a basic confirmation that we should have as per Dow theory is that this low has to be broken. So unless this low is not broken, okay, last higher low, unless this low is not broken, the bias is not going to change to a bearish bias. Right now, as you can see, the range is between 17,600 to 17,200. So I'll just quickly change the range. 17,700 and 17,200. This is where the range right now is, right? And it has to break below 17,200 in order to change the trend, right? So as long as we know Dow theory, I'm talking absolute basic here, not a fancy thing, not a fancy indicators. We are just talking about a plain and simple Dow theory. As long as price is making a higher high, higher low, a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, the trend is going to remain as an uptrend. Okay. When it is going to break this low, let's say it forms a low, a lower high, and again a lower low. So while in that process, this low is broken, then and only then we can say that it's going to be a reversal of the trend. So don't be euphoric. It looks like a top, but then let's not be over optimistic, or let's not be euphoric. Let's not assume things. That's what most of the traders face this challenge, and because they are overly optimistic, or maybe they are assuming things. So here as well, what we have to do is, once this level of 17,250, which is broken on the lower direction, then in that case we can say that now the trend is beginning to change. Till then you have to be cautious, and again this can also be a trailing stop loss for someone who's holding a positional trade, right? So this is how we have to look at it. So first target I'll be looking at will be this 16,983. That is where I would expect Nifty to go, but let some action develop, and based on the next action we can actually calculate the targets using our Fibonacci tool. But till then we just have to be cautious. Let's not build a bigger, a larger position. Don't be greedy. रातों रात कोई अमीर नहीं बन जाता है, राइट? मतलब रातों रात आपका लाइफ टाइम का सबसे बेस्ट ट्रेड नहीं आता है. दैट्स व्हाट आई बिलीव. सो यू हैव टू बी डिसिप्लिन्ड and keep on making reasonable consistent profit, right? And that's how the trading has to work. मतलब overnight you cannot make a profit and then you're going to retire. That's not going to happen. जितना प्रॉफिट एक दिन में बनाओगे जबरदस्त, वो फिर से धीरे धीरे तोड़ा करके मार्केट को दे दोगे. Unless and until you have a strategy by which you are going to hold on to your trades, by which you are going to continue doing what you are doing the best, till then ये सब challenge रहने वाला है. So here, as you can see on this hourly chart, as I said, as I suggested, the first target that's going to be 17,252. It has to broke on the downside, and then if it is, once it broke 17,200, then we might see this 16,983. So this is level. This is one level which I'm looking at. First and foremost thing, why I am being so conservative, why I'm not so bearish immediately. See, bearish trade तो लेने ही है. I'm not saying that I don't like to short market या ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Point is that since March 2020, we have not seen a correction which is more than 7.5%. So in this entire phase, we have to be cautious, we have to be alert, agile, that all these trades that we are going to initiate should be as per the process. So process के part को थोड़ा importance दीजिए. On the other hand, let's say when we are talking about Bank Nifty, so in case of Bank Nifty as well, this action right now is like as good as it has formed a double top kind of a picture here. So it has failed to taken out or break out above this previous higher high. If we go on to hourly chart, okay, this is a hourly chart, and this is where the top has happened with respect to the previous action. कहाँ है मेरा previous action? That must be in the month of February, है ना? तो February से लेके till now. So this is February का top, and from those levels, this is February का top, and from those levels it almost reached to those levels, and then again it has started falling. Now even this fall, which we can see on a daily chart right now, which is in front of you, even this fall right now is, we have to measure this fall, and after this fall we have to measure this rally as well. So if I take my Fibonacci tool here and if I try to measure this, so naturally what happens, this 37,960 can be the upper limit up till where this bullish rally should go. If it's a trend reversal, if the trend has to go down, then this level will be ultimate hurdle, and from here it should be a rapid kind of a fall. If that fall is going to happen, then this one level, which is going to be a very important 78.6% ka level, I'll just rename this as well. This will be a 78.6. 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. And that level is 37,959. Okay, so 960 you can consider. This is the level. This is going to be an ultimate level. And from there, the fall should be rapid. Now, if there is a fall, this is what I was referring to. In Nifty as well, we should get this kind of a low. And after this low, we should get a lower high. And then the next action has to happen. Now, this, look at this. This has gone unanimously and a very rapid kind of a surge, rapid kind of a growth. So the Dow theory is going to change only and only when we break below this, right? So this is where the last final higher low in case of Bank Nifty is printed. Till the time we do not cross below this, we cannot say that the trend is changing, and that level is 36,500. It's a lot of ground to cover for Nifty, but if Bank Nifty, but if we actually take into consideration this target, so what's going to happen? The first target that we can see in case of Bank Nifty will be 37,200. So 37,200 will be first logical target that I'm expecting. If there is a bearish bias, let's say on Monday, see, I am saying bearish bias, it's a very early stage. We do not have a Dow theory confirmation so far. So we are talking about ifs and buts here. We are at the right at the beginning of this kind of a profit booking stage or something like that. So if we get a reversal from here, the first level that we should be watchful at will be this 37,201. I'll just mark this as an hourly bearish target. I'm just dragging this level, earlier level, because the target is completed now. So we're talking about 201. So 201 Bank Nifty hourly time frame bearish target. First bearish target. Cool. So this is one target that we are looking at, and this is one important level, 37,959. If Bank Nifty goes above this level, then it is anyone's game. It can be a bullish ride as well, and it might be possible that after a shallow retracement, Bank Nifty might reach to a greater targets as well. That's a possibility. We are seeing an unprecedented rally in both the indices as well as overall market. Although most of the stocks look tired, but still it's anyone's game. We do not have a confirmation for a bearish trend right now, is something that we have to note. And in this phase, trade as per your system, not what you feel. This was my message in the morning to the Prime group. And that is what I want to remind you here. See, trade what you see and not what you feel. Trade as per the setup so that things become easier for you, right? So we have to keep these things in mind. Until then, we don't have a confirmation. Don't be overly or extremely bearish, right? So with this, I leave you up to the next coming trading week, and I wish you all a very good trading week ahead. Guys, in this journey, if you have liked this new format of video and the kind of study that I'm sharing with all of you, then do hit like and subscribe button as well. Thank you so much.